Hey guys! I'm back to vlogging finally. It's like 9 o'clock in the morning, 9:15, and I'm going to the grocery store now because I'm trying to find egg whites. Who knew that that would be such a difficult thing to find here, but they've been sold out like everywhere that I go. So yeah, come with me on my journey to get egg whites, and then I can get back to work for the day. This whole being an entrepreneur thing is very different, but I'm learning to just like embrace it. Finding the egg whites yet. I did see it at one place yesterday, but they were sold out, so I feel like this is like a Western thing, egg whites. But I had like a really bad allergic reaction one time when I had eggs, and I wasn't sure if it was the yolk or not, and then I've been eating egg whites ever since, and I've been fine, so I guess I'll have to suck it up and just eat regular eggs. Right now I'm walking home. This is called Times Square. It's like the Hong Kong version. It's really nice. They have a bunch of stores. Very trendy. Hong Kong is like really modern. There are like obviously like old school parts of the city, but it's a really modern, trendy like city. It's very, very much like New York. I will talk to you guys later. My first yoga class. It was so much fun. I did a handstand on a wall. It was great. I'm sore though. Like, yoga is a workout, high key. But yeah, now I'm just walking around near Quarry Bay. That's the name of the station. I don't live over here, so it's like I don't really come over here, but it's cool to see a more local side of town, not so European like what I'm used to. But yeah, the buildings are really beautiful. It's just like a cool situation. So I'm gonna explore for a little bit before I head back and have lunch. I'll see you guys later.